So this is how you can add photos to My Eyes Only. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for Snapchat. Today you will learn how to add photos to your My Eyes Only on Snapchat. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's get started by opening Snapchat. Now, you are at the camera tab. So just simply tap on the photos at the bottom left corner of the screen. And here you will see your camera roll. You can scroll through. As you can see, there's home, camera roll, dreams, stories, and My Eyes Only. Now, let's go to My Eyes Only. Now that we're here, you're going to want to tap in your My Eyes Only code. If you don't have a My Eyes Only yet, it's going to ask you to make one, and then you're going to want to make a code for yourself. So as you can see, there's My Eyes Only. And now let's go back to camera roll. You're going to want to tap on a photo that you want to put on My Eyes Only. And you will see three dots at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on it, and then tap on My Eyes Only. And then tap on Move. Now you can see it in My Eyes Only. So just delete this if you want to. And now let's go back to My Eyes Only. And you can see that there we have our photo. So that is how you can put your photos in My Eyes Only. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.